How to order DoorDash. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can order DoorDash, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to place an order on DoorDash, open up the DoorDash application, open it up and log into your account. Then after that you just have to select the food that you want to order. So I can simply go to a certain restaurant that I like, and then I'll be able to simply go ahead and then add the things that I want to my cart over here by just tapping the add to cart option. So I can select a number of those and I can select that. Then I can simply tap on make for required selection, and then once I've done that I'll be able to just go ahead and then select that as well, and after I do that I'll be able to place my order. Now once I do that and then I add one of these to my cart here, I can simply tap on this option here, and then once I've done that I can tap on it. It will take me to the page where I can simply enter my payment method, and once I enter my payment method I will be able to go ahead and then basically finish my order on DoorDash. This way I can order DoorDash. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.